friends, it's Amanda here, and today we're going to talk about the ColourPop holiday sets. This box with all the holiday sets arrived literally as I was filming my Huda Beauty Icy Nude video. So I thought it would be fun to unbox these new sets together. I recognize a lot of these shade names right off the bat. I'm going to look back through my own collection and anything that I already have in my collection. When I do the swatches, I'll use my existing pieces. That way I can save these sets for a little giveaway because I think that would be fun. It's very fun and festive to do giveaways. I love doing them, especially now that I've figured out a better, safer system here on YouTube. So stick around to the end of the video because we'll do a little giveaway with some of these pieces. All of these sets are currently available. You can find them at Ulta, at Target, and of course on the ColourPop site. If you're shopping for these sets on the ColourPop site, you probably will not be able to use any discount codes or affiliate codes. You can always try my affiliate code. It's just my first name, Amanda, and that saves you 10% on most things on the site. However, they do tend to exclude things like sets, kits, these little value bundle type of things from being coupon eligible because they're already discounted when they're bundled. So you probably will not be able to save anything with a coupon code, but it's always worth a shot. You never know. You always want to try to get the best cart total possible, right? These little holiday sets are very heavy on the lip kits. We do have 2 eye sets that come with an eyeliner and a little quad eyeshadow palette. You'll notice everything is very, very neutral this year. I do wish that there was a little bit more spice color-wise, but I guess I understand why these are most appealing, especially as far as gift giving goes. Kind of a safe gift option, but I wish we had a couple of more fun options color-wise. That's just me though. I do like to spice up my eyeshadow every now and then, so I am wishing for some more color, but we do have these 2 little neutral eye sets. These are priced at $14 a piece. They come with a full-size BFF cream gel eyeliner. This is my favorite eyeliner formula by far. And of course, a little quad eyeshadow palette. So those are the eyeshadows. I know for sure I have this one called Sparkler. Probably have this one. This is Sweetie. But I know that I have Sparkler because I've seen that one recently. Here's a close-up look at the Cozy Neutrals set. This one contains the quad eyeshadow called Sweetie and the BFF cream gel liner in the shade Sunnyvale, which is sort of a mid-toned warm brown shade. The Sweetie palette is the lighter of the 2 little neutral quads in these holiday sets. Each of the quad palettes have 2 matte shades and 2 shimmer shades. They come in the little square plastic packaging. It's very K-beauty vibes inspired, in my opinion. This style of quad eyeshadow palette came out from ColourPop specifically back in 2021, I believe. And I did a full review. So if you want more information, you want to see more close-ups of the packaging and brush swatches and all of that stuff, I'll link any relevant review videos that I've done previously down in the description box so that you can get some more specific info and just more of my review on each individual product. This is the Let It Bronze set, and it has the Sparkler palette, which I definitely did review previously, and the Brouhaha cream gel liner. And this Let It Bronze set is the deeper option of the 2. But I could see these sets actually working really well together too. For the lip sets, we do have 2 trio sets. We have a trio of Lippie pencils for $16 and a trio of Lippie sticks for $18. It does seem to me that these are coordinated to go together. I guess I'll have to swatch them to be 100% sure. These little sets would make great stocking stuffers or small little white elephant type of gifts, I think that they would be super easy to wrap in wrapping paper or pop into a gift bag. So this is a really smart idea on behalf of the brand. First, we're going to look at the Holiday Hues set. This is the lip liner set. You get 3 shades for $16. These are sharpenable, so they don't twist up, but you can just use any regular makeup pencil sharpener, and these are easy peasy. If you are thinking, wow, these look super similar, then you and I are thinking the same thing. They do look more different when they're swatched. Just looking at the 3 pencils and the close up side by side, they look so similar. But I personally think these are a little bit too similar to one another to be in this set together. I do wish that there was a little bit more differentiation in tone and depth. These are very mid-tone nude type of colors. No, they're not the exact same color, but these are too close for comfort for me personally. However, the Lippie Stix set is a lot better, in my opinion. Not only do we have 3 different nude shades, but they're in 3 different finishes. So the lightest one, sure thing, is a cream finish. And then that mid-tone middle shade called Parker, one of my longtime favorites, is a regular matte finish Lippie Stix. And then the deepest shade here called Capiche is the Matte X formula. Even in the swatch on my arm, you can really tell the difference between the matte and the Matte X formula. Lippie Stix are one of my favorite OG ColourPop products. I think they're underrated and I really like all 3 of these. I like all 3 of the finishes here. So I think this is probably one of my top picks as far as these holiday sets go. In terms of variety, I just think this is really probably the best one. We have 2 different sets here that come with the So Juicy liner and gloss balm. These are priced at $14 a piece per set. And the shade names on these look very familiar as well. So I'm pretty sure that I have previously swatched these because this So Juicy line is new this year. So these are kind of fresh in my memory. I'm not a huge fan of the So Juicy line personally, but I just don't really like plumping things. So that's just a personal preference. It doesn't mean they're bad. It's just not really right for me. The first set we're going to look at is called Cozy Era, and this is definitely the lighter and more neutral of the 2 So Juicy kits this year. I know that I have reviews of these products previously, so just a reminder, check the description box if you want to hear more about my thoughts on formula, performance, things like that. As I mentioned, I'm not a big plumping lip product fan. However, if you are, or if you're gifting to somebody who is, I do think these little sets are really nice. I like that the lip liner and the gloss balm that goes on top are well matched. And I also like that there's more variety between these 2 sets. With that lip liner set still stuck in my mind, I like that we actually have something that is a bit of a color option in this guava glaze shade. While the So Juicy line isn't my personal preference, I at least appreciate the fact that we have some variety and that they're including some of the newer released products in these holiday sets as well. So this still ranks above the lip liner set for me. Last but not least, 2 more lip duos. This has a duo of the So Juicy plumping lip oils, and the lip oil duo is $16. I'm certain I have these 2 shades. These definitely ring a bell for me. This is the Sugar Crystals set with 2 So Juicy plumping lip oils for $16. The lychee jelly shade is completely clear, and then the shade called Hit Stiff is a very warm pinky neutral shade. These are going to be easy go to, very giftable type of shades for just about anybody. I do think that any and every person who enjoys a plumping lip oil will find use and easily go through both of these shades. So this is a pretty decent pick in my opinion. And lastly, for $12, we have a little lip set that has an ultra glossy lip and a lippy pencil. I know that I have the Oh Snap lippy pencil. I've also recently seen this one. Not sure if I have this gloss on hand or not. The What a Slay set has a lippy pencil in the shade Oh Snap and ultra glossy lip in the shade Sugar Cookie for $12. This is personally my favorite lip set behind the Lippie Stix because I do like the ultra glossy lip formula, and I'm typically not a big fan of sparkly glosses, but this one called Sugar Cookie has such a fine pearly type of sparkle, and that's what I really like. I think it pairs well with the Oh Snap pencil, and I can just see myself really getting a lot of use out of this set according to my own preferences and style. So this is my second favorite after the Lippy Sticks set. But especially for gifting, I don't think you can go wrong with any of these. I do wish there were some more fun, colorful options. Well, I'm a big fan of jewel tones, so I do wish that we saw some beautiful jewel tone greens and purples and berry type of tones. That's what always gets me in that fall holiday festive type of mood. But those are also my favorite colors year round, so maybe there's a little bit of bias creeping out there. I also feel like we're really missing some red lips for holiday. But that's just one girl's opinion. I would love to hear what you think about these sets. Make sure you leave all your thoughts on these holiday sets down in the comments below. And also check out the description box to enter into the little giveaway. Probably don't have all of these pieces on hand. So if I want to swatch everything, I will have to open up some of these sets. I'll have enough for at least one or two winners. So make sure you check down in the description box to see the rules, how long the giveaway is going to be open, all that good stuff, because I really like to be able to share these things with you. And the safest way that I know how to do giveaways is through the Google form, which is completely private. So I will contact the winners via their email addresses. I will not be responding in the comments. If somebody comments about the giveaway to you, let me know because it's probably a scammer. I know I've talked about this a lot in my previous giveaway videos, but it's just really important to me that everybody stays safe and secure. So keep an eye on your email. I will only be contacting you that way, not in the comments, okay? Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Yikes. Don't make noise while I'm filming, you crazy. A beat, a chit, okay. None of those were words. Ooh, mama. Okay, great. Thanks, Amanda. Thanks for telling us that. It's late. I don't usually film this late. It is dark outside. I mean, I know it's dark early anyway, but I don't usually film until 6 p.m. So just a little, I guess a little bit underwhelming, huh? I feel a little bit underwhelmed. How about you guys? If you're curious about my makeup, I did film this look using the new Huda Icy Nude collection, so keep an eye out for that, because if that video is not already up, it will be soon. And that's where this beautiful makeup came from. Okay, I am tired, hungry, and sweating. So it's time for this day to end. Well, it's time for the filming portion of my day to end anyway. I still have to make dinner and do the dishes and all that fun stuff, but I actually love making dinner, especially because at the end you get to eat. That's my favorite. How do we feel about this blush? It's giving casually sweaty, which I love. Good job, team. We did it. That's it. That felt, I feel like I'm forgetting something. I can't remember what I've forgotten. Okay, obviously it's time to log off. Thanks for watching. I'm so happy you're here. What a little treasure you are. I love your face. and I will see you really soon in another video. I'll be here. I hope you'll be here. Bye!